All right, nutshell. Dumbest thing I've ever done. Neighbor gave me this vehicle. Fuel pump's absolutely garbage. So, about 40 PSI. Did the tappy tap on the fuel pump from the outside. I got a hose clamp. Probably not fuel rated. Just a piece of hose. A Gatorade bottle. A Harbor Freight. A Harbor Freight tire pumper and hopefully fire extinguisher. No switch on the tire pumper, so what we got to do is we got to plug her in. Oop, 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 oop. It's about 10 psi. Let's see if we can get 25. All right, see if it works. All right, she don't like 25. Ooh. All right, this might actually work. But the problem being is I don't have a switch. So we got to do that. All right. Yeah, think smarter, not harder or something. All right, guys, have a good one. I got to play with this.